What up, what up, what up, people? It's your boy, Jordan Bowens, and we've got another video here today. We have a police body cam video called Entitled Woman Refuses to Leave Man's Apartment, and it ends badly. So we already kind of know what's going to go on with this. Like, she not going to want to leave. The real question is, are they going to have to put their hands on her to escort her politely outside of this apartment? But I'm not going to hold you guys up. Let's get into the video.
On August 17, 2025, officers responded to an apartment complex for a call of a domestic disturbance.
What's the issue?
He said the third floor out of 3.
I don't know. Just tried to put me out, and I want my shit. I hit him.
What's your name?
I want my shit out the house.
Adam 3.
Oh, she's definitely either her face is swollen for some reason or something, or she's drunk or something, or on something, because her voice sounds a little off to me.
These are my clothes, but I want my shit out the house.
Yeah, is anybody working again?
Nobody's with me, but I'm 10-4.
Everything back on 120.
Do you need... I need to know what's going on right now.
He has that white outside. He wants to fuck her. He's trying to kick me out. He put all my shit outside.
Third floor. Where's he at?
I just want my shit out.
We're not at the 4 Points Hotel. We're across the street.
I'm trying to make no big ass scene. Nothing.
He's trying to throw you out?
Yeah.
He'll take that screen as well.
I just want my shit.
Do you have stuff in here?
Yes.
Well, you can... Whose apartment is this?
His.
And who's inside?
His uncle, friend, whatever.
Here, do this for me.
It's even worse when there's other people there, you know? Especially when you got, you know, there's nothing worse when you're going through it with your girl or something like that. And it's just embarrassing because other people are around, you know? There's nothing worse than having public spats as opposed to private spats, you know?
Pick up all your stuff. We'll go outside. I'll calm him down.
I've been asking him to give me my shit. He's not giving me my
So you're
shit.
at the Madison Street
He
apartment?
threw some of my clothes out.
Is this the Madison Street Apartments?
Okay, so this should be easy. She leaves, police goes, gets the boyfriend or husband in a position where she can get her stuff. Everyone leaves. I mean, not happy because it sounds like a breakup's going on, but, you know, everyone leaves, you know, not in jail. Let's see how this plays out.
Yeah, this down the hall, she's talking shit. I don't want no big ass scene. I just want my shit.
All right, pick up all your stuff, please. Pick up all your stuff.
He's not even getting my shit. I want my shit.
No. Pick up all your stuff. Pick up all your stuff.
Stop yelling at me.
I need you to cooperate with me.
I don't need that shit.
What do you need?
I need my medicine and my backpack and shit. That's in the house.
Well, clearly, he is upset. He's not going to give you your stuff right now.
Yeah, because he wants that white that's outside.
So I'm telling you to pick up your stuff and let's go
I don't need that
downstairs.
shit. I want my medicine and my backpack.
Is this your stuff?
Yeah, it is.
Then pick it up.
I want it. I need my medicine in my backpack.
Ma'am, I can't help you until you pick up all this stuff out. No, stop.
No.
She gonna get herself arrested, ma'am. Just take the bags downstairs, let the police officer do his thing, and then you'll be able to get the rest of your stuff. They're not just gonna let this man like keep all of your stuff. It's not how it works. Like, and if the man really wants you out of his house, let's keep it a stack. If he really wants you out of his house, he'll be happy to get your belongings out of his house so he can get rid of you faster. Facts.
Ma'am,
Please don't put your hands on me.
I'm telling you to pick up your stuff and leave.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
I will
pick up
help
my
you
stuff
get your
and leave,
stuff.
and I'm not gonna get my shit.
I will help you get your stuff.
No, you're not.
I'm not.
How are you gonna help me get my shit?
I separated you two. He's out there. I closed the door. I need you to get your stuff out.
I need my medicine and
Ma'am,
my shit.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna get that. But I need you to go downstairs. Other officers will be down there. Police!
He's not gonna answer though. Norm!
Stand back.
Norm!
You are making me very impatient. Stand
Please
back.
don't touch me.
I'm telling you what to do and you're not listening to me. That's what's going on.
Just don't touch me.
Will you listen to me then?
Don't touch me.
I'm trying to get your stuff. We need to pick up all this stuff and go downstairs.
Give me my shit, that's all I want.
If he has a key, he will get the key for me and I will open the door.
Okay, I want my gray backpack.
You're not listening to me. She does not live here.
Let's go.
Let's go. If you need your medicine, I'm going to wait till you leave. He's probably waiting for you to leave.
Grab your stuff, let's go.
Go.
Come on, put her in cuffs. Go, put her in cuffs.
No! Ow! No!
Stop. Give me.
I can't feel bad for her. They asked so many times. I mean, what can they really do? Like, there's nothing you could do. She actually refused to leave, just like the title says. Refuses to leave man's apartment. That's exactly what's happening.
Your arm.
No!
Give me your arm.
No! No! Stop!
Like, can we get it? You're going to jail.
We're giving you most
No! Listen, stop!
I told you. Oh, don't kick me.
Girl, you do not want to stack on them extra charges. You don't even have a place to stay because we know you just got kicked out your boyfriend's apartment. You don't want to be dealing with extra charges. You got enough on your plate.
All you had to do was pick up your stuff and go.
Go.
Stop!
Go.
My wrist is broken! You don't hurt me like that! You!
I feel like she probably kind of strong too. Like, them officers probably using every bit of strength they have to like keep her from like flailing around.
In the corner.
24, do you want me to send the fire department?
Mission accomplished.
I didn't tell it.
Stop.
That was unnecessary.
Get the off me! Oh, get the off me! This shit hurts! Stop doing it!
Hey, lady, this could have all been prevented. I mean, you chose this. They told you what was gonna happen. You knew what was gonna happen, but realistically, you thought they weren't gonna do it. What is it? You F around, you find out. And that's exactly what happened.
Shit! All I want is my medicine! God
I wish we could see the boyfriend's point of view. That would be hype.
damn! But you don't have to. I have a broken.
You should have just listened.
Oh, I should have just listened.
Do you have any pockets?
No!
All right. Here, mine's right here.
I don't want to go to jail. I don't do jail. I hate this.
Well, you kicked me, so that's a charge right there.
That's hard. You're breaking my ribs.
You weren't listening.
You're breaking my ribs.
All right.
I please
Sit.
that before I go
Sit.
ahead.
No. Feet in. Kick feet in. Put your feet in.
No.
I do not want to have to put your feet in for you. Put them in.
Don't make them do it.
You guys are letting him
Give you one more opportunity to put your feet in before I do it for you.
You're letting him
Your feet
win.
in.
Get in.
Feet in.
Knew it was gonna happen.
Sit up.
Ooh, we hearing that taser come out. Bro, that taser coming out. Hey, you guys were, he was doing it
Were you guys
again,
at the
bro,
hotel?
warning shots.
Oh yeah, he went that way.
So I read the cat screen is across the street, so I'm looking this way. I see Clark pulling here, and they're all flagging me down. So I run up the stairs. Dude says he has a knife. The guy with no shirt is like screaming at her. I tell him to back off and go downstairs, and he gets in my face. And I was like, you're about to go in cuffs. And then I closed the door. I didn't know it locked. Literally nothing. It was a standby. She was refusing to pick up her shit and leave. She said she had shit in the apartment. I said, I'm going to let...
You got nothing on him?
No.
All right.
Yeah, nothing on him. These are my keys, yeah. I told you to pick up your stuff and go downstairs, and I would help you get your stuff.
But it's not gonna, you guys are not gonna help me get my stuff.
You didn't even give us a chance. What's your name?
I just wanted my medicine and shit.
Ma'am, if you don't tell me your name, you're going to get another charge.
I don't want none of this shit.
The woman was charged with aggravated battery on law enforcement and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already.
Yeah, I mean, this was an interesting one. I mean, you got to listen to cops. Like, once you're already in that position, you got to listen. We already know this, but it seems like for some reason, when you look at these arrests, you learn people really a lot of times be putting it on themselves, and this is one of those circumstances. Hey, shout out to that dude, because if she was acting like that, then, hey, like, you probably dodged a bullet. You know, you're probably good. You probably made a good decision by not opening up that door. But, hey, I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.